This video is to demonstrate the functionality of this BSR record player changer after it's been disassembled, degreased, and re-lubed, including the motor bearings. And this came out of a sound design, but it's a BSR, I believe it's a 197 model. Pretty typical, although this one, it does have the cueing mechanism, but doesn't have that spring-loaded anti-skate device on there. But it works nice and smooth now. I've just got it sitting on this old Channel Master base, which is not included. It's just for the record player. I guess if I turn the amp on, that might help. Of course, you got to get in there and clean the trip mechanisms. And get in there with a fine alcohol-coated brush. Usually gets all the grease out of those trip mechanisms. And I've resurfaced the rubber on the idler wheel, and cleaned up the speed change mechanisms, so that goes up and down very nicely. And the size selector, that's really buried deep, the mechanism for that, and sometimes it gets forgotten. I've run across turntables that have been serviced and they didn't get in there and degrease the size selector. Again, this is just for the record changer, not this Channel Master base.